So here we have a situation. We installed SiteScope, we connected it to OBM, and test events and test messages are not being sent. And upon an investigation, we find that, well, it cannot get not certificate ID from policy header. And basically, the policies that SiteScope installs on top of the agent from SiteScope, not from OBM, from its own repositories, are not signed. And when we try to sign the policies via command line by using sign policy.bat / -Windows, and then we specify the policy, it says no OPR policy activation in Java library path. So we are going to attempt and reinstall the policy signing tool. And the way to do it, basically we go to disk C, SiteScope, installation, components, and then it's OA policy signing tool, Windows 64, I believe. And we will just go and install it. Click on next, accept, next, next, and install. And that might actually solve our problem. So there we go. Let's try the same command once more. And it is done. So we are going to attempt and sign the other policy. Let's look at the policies over here. So the next policy header is this one, right? So we will just go, sorry, let's go back to our policies. We'll go to our command line and actually we'll just paste the name .xml, that's policy number 2. Then we have, okay, that's unfortunate. We have the third policy, that's the header. Copy it, go to command line, right click it, .xml. Okay, the policies are signed. And now it's time to go to and actually delete the policies. Sorry, OV policy -list. Let's see if we have them. No, no policies are installed. So we can go and install the policies from SiteScope GUI. Let's do just that. Log into SiteScope. Okay, page unavailable. Yeah. Just need to remove that. Log in. Go for it. Come on. Okay, here we have to go to preferences, integration preferences, open these, and we will go and install the policies. We'll let it run for a second. Okay, and there we go. It is done. Now we need to see if it works. So test1, send test message. Let's see if we got anything. Test1, congratulations. Okay, so this is done. And send test event. It should take also a couple of seconds. Running test. Congratulations if you see this message. So the SiteScope is fully integrated and we have a solution to a very interesting problem. So that concludes the integration of SiteScope and OBM.